Florham Park, NJ. New York Jets quarterback Aaron Rodgers announced on his Instagram stories Thursday night that he had surgery to repair his torn left Achilles tendon on Wednesday. The post includes a picture of a smiling Rodgers in a blue medical cap and gown in a hospital bed with his left foot clearly bruised. Rodgers said the surgery was performed by Dr. Neal ElAttrache, an orthopedic surgeon based in Los Angeles who has worked with numerous professional athletes during his career. "Surgery went great yesterday," Rodgers wrote. "Thank you for all the love and prayers and support. And thanks to the goat emoji, Dr. ElAttrache and his staff for starting me on the road to recovery." Rodgers is out for the season after tearing his Achilles tendon on the fourth snap of his debut. With his new team Monday night, a 22-16 overtime victory over Buffalo. The 39-year-old quarterback posted Wednesday on Instagram in his first public comments that he was completely heartbroken and moving through all of the emotions after the injury. He added, "The night is darkest before the dawn. And I shall rise yet again." Rodgers is also facing a long, arduous recovery and rehabilitation from the injury, but his post Wednesday appeared to indicate he might not be ready to call it a career. Jets coach Robert Saleh said Wednesday that Rodgers was going for some medical consultations to determine his next step. It turned out the four-time MVP had surgery later that day. Saleh said he would be shocked if Rodgers ended his playing career that way. Offensive coordinator Nathaniel Hackett, a close friend of Rodgers, echoed that sentiment Thursday. "Oh, yeah," Hackett said. "Whenever Aaron has his mind set on something, good luck to anyone that wants to change his mind." Zach Wilson is replacing Rodgers as the starting quarterback and will be under center for the Jets game Sunday against the Cowboys in Dallas.